Ganito ang mukha ng walang lipstick,
Happy birthday.
walang makeup, walang supply, at walang pera.
Happy birthday, Lenny. Happy 60th birthday. Yes. Okay, bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Lenny.
Happy birthday, Ate Lenny.
Happy birthday, Ate Lenny. Happy birthday, Lenny. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Lenny. Wow.
Happy birthday, Ate Lenny. More birthdays to come and God bless po.
Happy birthday, Ate Lenny.
Happy birthday, Ate Lenny.
Happy birthday, Ate Lenny!
Happy birthday, Ate Lenny.
Happy birthday, Ate Lenny. More birthdays to come.
More birthday to come.
Lenny.
Yo!
Happy
birthday,
birthday,
Ate
Lenny. Ingat ka dyan. Be safe always.
Birthday to Lenny.
Happy birthday, Lenny!
Happy birthday to Lenny.
Hello, Ate Lenny. Oh, happy 60th birthday. Wish ko sa iyo more birthdays to come, more blessings, good health. Tsaka enjoy mo yung birthday mo ngayon. Dahil ano ka na, may discount ka na dito sa Pinas. Enjoy.
Happy 60th birthday, Lenny. Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Ate Lenny. More birthdays to come. God bless.
Happy birthday, Lenny. Ngayon, 60 ka na. More blessing and good health. Happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday, Lenny. Welcome to senior citizen. Happy birthday.
Ciao, Ate Lenny. Buon compleanno. Have a fantastic birthday. More birthday to come and good health po.
Happy birthday, Ate Lenny. More birthdays to come and God bless you. Happy birthday, Ninang Lenny.
Happy birthday, Ate Lenny. More birthday to come.
Happy birthday, Ate Lenny. Wishing you good health and more birthdays to come. And sana magkita ulit tayo sa January para gala ulit tayo. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Ate Lenny. Wishing you good health, happiness, and more blessings to come. Thank you for being such a wonderful part of our family. Enjoy your special day. 祝你60岁生日快乐！
Hi, Ate Lenny. Happy birthday. 60 years old ka na pala. Hindi halata. Parang 59 lang. Enjoy your years. Stay healthy po. At saka sana makabalik ka pa ulit dito sa Canada at magkita tayo ulit. Enjoy, te. Happy birthday.
Hi, Ate Lenny. Happy birthday. We are blessed to have you in the family. Not everyone is given the privilege to get old. Age is just a number. Enjoy life and I hope magkita tayo ulit. Sana dyan naman. Manifest. Happy birthday.
Ate Lenny, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Lenny.
Saan tayo kakain?
Lenny, happy birthday. Magkaroon ka pa ng maraming karawang katulad ngayon. Okay? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Momo. Just wanted to wish you happy birthday. He said happy birthday too. Love you. Bye.
Lenny, happy birthday. More birthday to come. I love you.
Hi, Lenny. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Stay happy, stay healthy, and stay beautiful. God bless you.
Okay, it's your birthday. And let me tell you, it's a fantastic one. People are saying it's huge, absolutely huge. You should celebrate big because nobody celebrates better than you. Eat the cake, blow out the candles. Don't forget to make a tremendous wish. Happy birthday. You're doing an incredible job just being you.